Are you ready? Are you ready? Being ready is a choice. It is not a feeling. Whether you feel like doing something or not is not the point. Is it something that you want to do in your life and who you want to be as the person you are? Hi, I'm Kim Zoller, and welcome to Wednesday's Wirings. Are you ready for an amazing 2022? It is your choice. Things will always happen. They always do. We know that nothing stays the same. So what is your choice? Are you ready to get up in the morning and work out or do it at the end of the day? Are you ready to have health and vitality as a part of your life, to have connection? Are you ready? It is a choice to be the best leader, the best parent, the best team player, the best person. Are you ready? Are you ready to set some goals for yourself? I hope you'll be joining us for the Growth Club session. And if you don't, are you ready to set those goals yourself? To, no matter what, stick to them. It doesn't matter what you've done in the past. It matters now. The choice that we make today, not the feeling, the choice. Have an amazing day. It is not how you feel. It is 100% your choice.